Bom dia! Tudo bem? Pô, tem um naviozinho hoje só. Consegui chegar antes deles. Tá troca tudo. And all this is like a bucket. It's like a bucket. What's that?
Oh.
Behind the statue, we have the church Nossa Senhora Aparecida. Here, we don't have any money about private money or public money, only donation from the church. Okay.
Do you want to take a picture with us?
Because this is a good spot here. You can cut people. I like your Insta. We fly by paragliding with this. It's perfect.
Tripped over a girl, went to put my hand back and almost grabbed her in the ass. That would have been good. Seemed to be a lot of people up here. And apparently it's way worse. Yeah.
Over there is Copacabana. Can you see the river? The little river going to the beach, the channel. After it's Leblon. Gavia is this little neighborhood here behind Leblon. Jockey Club. Botanical Garden. Can you see how many things you can do here? After Jockey Club, can you see the court there? This is the Flamengo court, the best team in the world. This is belong to the old nude city. Close to Copacabana, this area, and this area. Was a farm for sugars only. The old town starting in this area to go into the downtown. And over there we have the Sugarloaf. Sugarloaf, the cemetery St. John Baptist, and we have one little neighborhood, just one quarter here. It's called Humaitá, but just one three. That's it.
¿De dónde se saca? Take this one to stop.
Oh, it's lovely. I love your thing. Perfect.
Not everybody does
So,
when they're
over
taking
there-
pictures. Yeah. Right? It's in the way quite often of other people. But
In
isn't
front
it?
of us, we have the state of Rio called Niterói, and even we have the biggest bridge in the bay.
That is it's a huge bay, a huge bridge.
Yeah.
We saw it coming in.
Yeah, is exactly 13.96 kilometers, but we cut this 4 centimeters and 14 kilometers.
If you enjoy our videos, please like and subscribe. It helps to support our channel. See you traveling soon.